And it started out in just a small garage, almost like a chicken coop. I remember growing up, hanging out with my grandpa, just watching him deal with customers.
My grandfather founded the business in 1950, and he was originally a distributor of metal moldings, and then in a fairly short order got into the manufacturing of countertops and was one of the very first companies in the country to purchase post-forming equipment. I think one of the common threads that's gone through all three generations of my family is a real passion for the business. So we've never had inactive owners. So we've always worked very actively in the business, and everyone's really fired up to do a great job with it. So I think there's been a real continuity of what my grandfather visualized when he started it, which was to do something really unique and something that was based on excellence. And we've kind of always brought that to the table.
We operate out of a 100,000 square foot facility. We've got highly motivated, well-trained employees, and through their efforts, we put out 150 plus kitchens per day, per shift.
We offer over 200 plus stock colors of laminate, and we watch the trends on a quarterly basis to make sure that we're offering the latest and the greatest, and to also see what's going to be trending in the future. We have a close alliance with our suppliers and do some actual research ourselves.
Our primary footprint for the majority of our clients is Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, and Illinois. However, we do travel outside of those markets for commercial projects.
We definitely have a love for commercial. Our ideal type of work would be multifamily, hospital, education, basically the healthcare education segment.
A lot of people don't realize how highly technical and specialized countertops can be, especially the laminate side, because it's a wood product. I mean, you can't redo it once it's made. So it's really important that everything that we do with high quality and with precision. So the fact that we can turn residential tops in a week and commercial tops in 2 weeks it's pretty impressive.
We're well versed on all aspects of projects when it comes to countertops, and we can basically take any layout or whatever their need is and jump right into it.
It's about taking that next step and staying ahead of the trend line and being meaningful and relevant to our clients in a way that doesn't just create a great relationship today, but creates an awesome, sustainable relationship moving forward as well.
Taking care of a customer, it has a transaction kind of feel, but taking care of a client, it has a better approach to it. I think that they feel that they're important. They're important to us. Without them, we really wouldn't be here.
There's nothing more exciting than to see a product start with particle board and raw laminate and see the beauty that Ellie Smith puts out every day. The feedback we get from our clients is tremendous. We really take great pride in that.
We do things like label each top so that they know when they receive it which room it goes into. And that's something that really impresses me, is that the guys will take the time to do that, to make sure that each top has the right label on it, that when it gets delivered to that job site, they can put it right in the units and the rooms that it goes in.
Our strengths, without question, ability to handle large projects in a quick lead time. Our lead times are second to no one. We have generally 2 to 3 week lead times on our commercial projects. Our on-time delivery is, without question, off the charts. We've registered about 98% over the last 4 years. And in addition to that, it's our care, our quality that we provide for every project. It's a white glove treatment all the way through.
I love going out to clients, just selling Ellie Smith. I mean, it's in my blood, so I don't know, I think people can really tell my knowledge just from being around it my whole life. And then, I mean, we really want to delight.
You know, one thing that strikes me is the fact that our team or this company can offer our clients an addition to their team. I mean, how many people can sit here and say, wow, I wish I had a larger team that was not on the payroll? Well, they get that with Ellie Smith.
We understand that our clients' reputations are at stake. So we know how important it is to work diligently and to create that win-win-win for all. So Ellie Smith takes great pride in doing that for our clients.
I think his vision always was that it would be a family business. Like I think that was the the one focal point that he had that he hoped would always continue. And I think he would be very proud to know that his grandchildren now own and operate the business and take it very seriously. And so I hope he would be very proud of what we're doing and of where we're going.